We're doing 1, 2. 1-2. Homework.
Oh,
Did you just say 1.2?
1.2. And questions 1 through 7.
Sarah, there you go.
Confusing when he says 1, 2. Somebody's
Okay.
counting.
I'm not the only one. I was like 1, 2. What?
Alright. So, number 1. Graph the first 4 terms of the sequence. Right? So what is the sequence, first of all? It's 2, 5, 8, and 11.
3.
So,
Up 3.
what are the next terms going to be?
14, 17.
So what did we do? We did up 3,
Yeah.
so plus 3, plus 3,
That's what I had.
plus 3. So the next 4 terms would be
14,
14,
17,
17,
and 20.
20.
I was going to say, did you really just think about that? Add 3, Dan. Add 3.
This is bothering me.
Wow, that actually bothered you?
Yeah, it's been bothering me. And then, that's only 3 terms.
How many were? Oh, 4? 23.
Are we writing this down, Daniel?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. And then you're supposed to graph it. I mean, so,
No. I got a number line.
pretty, just a number line.
Can we not?
14.
Oh, that kind of guy.
17.
How do you graph it on a regular one with 1 point?
See, it's
23.
there. How do you know when you're not going to graph something
Okay.
like that?
Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Big deal. Not really looking for the graph part. What I'm looking for is, do you know what's going on? So number 3, what's happening to number 3? It goes 4, 5, 8, 13.
Hold on. Let us all write down number 1 first, please.
We're recording, so I kind of need to keep moving. So number 1, or number 3 is 4, 5, 8, and 13. Does anyone see a pattern there?
It's going up by odds. 1, 3, 5.
Good. Very good. It went up by 1. Let's change the color. 1,
3,
3, 5, right? So what would the next ones be?
So 7 on
7.
20.
Good,
Yeah, 1, 3, 5.
11,
7, 9,
right?
So
Or 7, sorry,
29.
11.
So,
Wouldn't be 11, it'd be
oh, they're writing
7,
the numbers. I'm sitting here saying this shit.
9, 11, and 13, yeah?
Yeah.
So then it'd be 7 and 13, which is
20,
20,
29,
and then 20 plus 9, 29,
and 29 plus 11, 30.
okay?
20
How much?
plus 40.
40, good.
And
40 cards.
53.
Yeah.
53. Good.
Good one question.
That's all we're asking for. You want to put it on a graph? Oh boy. Done. I don't care. I mean, yeah, they should look a little bit more space and get bigger as you go. That's fine. My key is not graphing it on a number line because we did that in 4th grade. Okay. My key is, can you tell me the sequence and what's happening? Okay.
See somewhere?
All right. So number 5.
What to me hurts.
What's happening with number 5? It says define the sequence, recursive, and graph the sequence. So recursive sequences, they tend to be a little bit harder. Okay, they tend to use summations and productations. So can you pick up the recursive sequence? So what's happening here? It's going -6, -4, -2, 0, and 2.
That's 2.
Huh?
Positive 2.
It's going +2. That
Hey,
doesn't
Sarah.
seem that hard, right?
Guys, the middle color.
A plus today. A plus.
Okay. So it's a +2. And I wrote 3. Right? +2, +2, +2. Right?
Good on 100 cents at least.
And so the next sequences, can you tell me what they would be? And then how would I write this as a recursive sequence?
So just plus 2 can't do sheet. I don't think we'll find out those numbers because I can't see them.
So what's happening here is we can start with a thing called U1 plus 2, U2
YouTube?
plus 2,
Someone found that funny.
because this becomes U1 plus 2, this is U naught, okay?
No.
So U naught plus 2 becomes U1. U1 plus 2 becomes U2. U2 plus 2 becomes U3, and so forth. And so what you're doing here is that you're saying that each U to the n plus 2 equals U to the n plus 1 plus, or actually it just equals U to the n plus 1.
I'm really hating pre-cal right now because when we get that into U.
What are you confused about?
Okay, it was just
How'd
that
you get the U? What's
I
the
get this
U?
part, I get the first part, and then you did the U to the 2 plus 2 equals.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the part I don't get.
When you get
The
U,
U is just a number.
Right, but
I'm not
why
the
U
number.
to
What are
the
you
N?
talking about? You're the
Huh?
number.
The what?
The U to the N?
What M?
There's an M.
It's not an M, it's N plus.
Oh.
So it came up.
So it's U and
What's the N?
No, I don't know what that word is that you goes for.
U sub n,
okay.
okay, plus 1,
Okay.
because that becomes the next U. That's all it's saying.
I don't like this letter.
It's saying U to the n plus 2 becomes U to the n plus 1, right? In other words, U naught plus 2 becomes U1. And then you say